What's up, world? Welcome to Yields with Yodi. Today we're going to talk about a stock that just IPO a couple days ago. Some say they're the Amazon of South Korea, but in fact, they do things that are better than Amazon, like their dawn delivery. You order before midnight, and before sunrise, you'll have your package. That's great. They are revolutionizing how e-commerce should be done. By the way, if you're new to the channel, do yourself a favor, subscribe, click the like button, and click the notification bell. Also, I got that Weeble link. Deposit $100 and you get 2 free stock. It could be valued as high as $1,850. Guys, it's free money. You can't beat that. Also, what I like about Weeble, it lets you trade as early as 4 a.m. and as late as 8 p.m. Stocks usually run up pre-market or after market, so that's a great tool to have when you're trading. Also, I got that Robinhood. Deposit $100. You get a free stock, and I get a free stock. Now let's get straight to the point. Today I'm not gonna be comparing Coupang to Amazon because they're at the top. But I'm gonna compare it with also another mega company, and that company is gonna be SC Limited. All right, this is Coupang, ticker symbol cpng, currently sitting at $46.82. As you can see, that IPO on March 11, it was supposed to IPO at around $35, but it got ran up to $59.60. It went to as high as, I think it's $69. And now it's sitting at $46.82. And the company I'm comparing it is with C Limited. Let's see what C Limited is sitting at. C Limited is sitting at $232. And they've been around for, let's see. They've been around since October 20, 2017. They had a 52-week high of 285. Now let's compare these two companies. Let's see who's better. All right, so Coupang, they have a market cap of 86 billion. C Limited has a market cap of 110 billion. Remember, Coupang is only doing business right now in South Korea, while C Limited, they're doing business in Malaysia, Singapore, Mexico, Brazil, Thailand, Taiwan. So they're doing business in a lot more countries than Coupang. And C Limited, they have a market cap of 110 billion, while Coupang, they have a market cap of 86 billion. C Limited, they have a growth of 101%. That is great. While Coupang, they have a growth of 90%. Also, C Limited, they have revenue of 4.5 billion. While Coupang, they have revenue of 12 billion. Guys, that's huge. Mind you, they're only doing business in South Korea, while C Limited is doing business in like 6 to 10 different other countries. Also, C Limited, they have an expenditure of 2.6 billion, while Coupang also has an expenditure of 2.6 billion. But remember, they have revenue of 12 billion compared to C Limited to 4.5 billion. And C Capital net income is negative 37%, while Coupang, it's negative 8%. As you can see, these are growth stocks, and they're both exploding. They're both great companies. And South Korea population is only around 56 billion. But if you combine all the population of all the countries where C Limited is working, it's about 2 to 3 billion. So Coupang, they have a lot of growth potential. Once they start expanding and working in these other countries, they're gonna keep growing. They're gonna get even bigger. Also, an interesting aspect about Coupang journey is the fact that it had to build its own logistic network. Unlike North America and Europe, where you have UPS and FedEx, Coupang had to build their own network from scratch. It took them a couple years and a ton of capital. But the company now has over 25 million square feet of warehouse space across 30 cities in Korea, with 70% of the country population within 7 miles of a fulfillment center, which means every 7 to 10 miles, they have a warehouse there. So that's huge. So that's how they can get when you order a product on their site, that's how you can get their product so quick. because every 7 to 10 miles they have a warehouse. Let's talk a little more about their financials. Coupang reported around $12 billion in revenue in 2020, which was up 91% from 2019, and they're more than 600% than in 2016. So as you can see, guys, this is a growth stock. Also, if you want to invest in this company, I would wait after the lockup period. Coupang IPO also includes exceptions to the typical lockup period, barring employees and previous investors from selling shares for 6 months or more. While Coupang investors have agreed to a 180-day lockup, that period is essentially shortened by the exceptions the company provided. Some employees can begin selling shares as soon as 6 days after the IPO, as long as the company trades above its IPO price. Existing investors that are registered can sell a portion of their holding in 12 days, providing the stock trades up at least 33% from the offer price of $35. So I'm going to assume that some of the employees are going to want to sell their stock and they're going to want to buy a house, a new car. So that's why I say wait after the IPO. By the way, guys, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Only invest in companies you've done your research in and you have strong conviction in. That way, when the price drop, you buy the dip and you don't sell low for a loss. Also, I got a bonus for you guys. And that bonus is Catalyst Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol CPRX, currently sitting at $4.08. I'm not going to get too in depth in this one. I recommend you look it up for yourself and do your research on it. It had a 52-week high of $5.19. As you can see, for the most part, it's been beating all their earnings. Catalyst Pharmaceutical is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the development and commercialization of therapies for people with rare, debilitating, chronic, neuromuscular, and neurological diseases. Also, let's see what some of the analysts are saying about this. Some of the analysts have it at a low of $5.50. They have it at an average of $7.25. And they have it at a high of $9. So that's an 84% upside. That's huge, guys. Also, out of 2 analyst rating, 2 say is a buy, 0 say is a hold, and 0 say is a sell. So I highly recommend you have this on your watch list. Also, guys, I recommend you have a diverse portfolio. Don't just invest in penny stocks and high growth stocks and tech stocks. That way, when the market tanks, your whole portfolio is not red. I consider you have some money in the financials. That'll help with inflation, because when inflation goes up, the feds have to raise rates, which means the banks have to raise their rates, which means they're going to bring more revenue and make more money. Also, if you look it up, stocks like AT&T and Verizon, which are dividend stocks, they were all pretty green today. So I recommend you have a diverse portfolio. Have some Macy's in your portfolio. Have a Walgreens. Have these different type of stocks to help your portfolio. Diversify. Also, I recommend you have 10% of your portfolio in crypto. Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some ADA. And that'll be all for today, guys. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, click the like button, and click the little notification bell. Thank you for your time. Peace.